Why the Data Mentalist? Social Inspectorate has 244 investigators, making a total of around 70,000 investigations a year, with a financial result of approximately 110 million euros. Records of these investigations are kept in the Pegasus system. Social Inspectorate also has access to a privacy-compliant data warehouse called Oasis. It contains data on some 128,000 employers. On top of Oasis, there is an alert-based system. Some 100 alerts were designed based on the experience of our investigators. The system generates some 300,000 warnings a year. This is how it used to work. Oasis is a rich data warehouse. Simply put, it contains data about the number of workers, VAT, salaries and working days, company use of unemployment, building sites, especially important for constructions, and data on contributions by the employer to the National Social Security. A group of expert investigators determined alerts. These alerts initiated field investigations. The results of investigations are encoded in Pegasus, but two systems were not connected. Analysis of the alert system showed it to be pretty accurate. The confirmation of fraud by field investigators and certain combinations of alerts do go hand in hand, but fraud can change, and the alert system is not very adaptive. Fraud can go by undetected, and real fraud can be unconfirmed in the field. What is more, there was no hierarchy in the risk order, making it very difficult to choose between the 300,000 warnings produced each year. There was no user involvement, apart from the experts who defined the alerts, and field investigators were unable to give feedback. The last problem identified was the lack of accessibility of the results. If the Data Mentalist wants to fix these problems, then it must be adaptive and self-learning. It must involve users. It must have a new user interface. It must also find new and better ways of working to be part of change management.